Hello viewers, welcome again to our YouTube channel. There we go again at KQ 2023 projections, still with our course. And at number 14, the question reads, if sine theta is equal to 15 over 17 and theta is an acute angle, find without using calculator or mathematical tables cos theta plus tan theta. Reading again. I'm saying if sine theta is equal to 15 out of 17 and theta is an acute angle, find without using calculators or mathematical table cos theta plus tan theta. 3 good marks. So what is the equation for us? To the lovers of mathematics, like I always say, sit aside, pay attention, and let's see what the question brings. So under my solution, we have been given that sine of theta is equivalent to 15 out of 17. So we all know what we need to apply here. These are, we are going to consider right angle triangle with an angle theta down there. So we all know sine ratios of the so-called SOHCAHTOA. These are just representing ratios, trigonometric ratios. That is, sine of an angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of an angle is therefore equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse, all the way to tan opposite over adjacent. So now that we have been given sine, so it means opposite over adjacent. Opposite of theta here is generally the hypotenuse. So that is the opposite over the hypotenuse. I hope we all know hypotenuse. So substituting, therefore, it means the opposite is 15 centimeters or 15 units when the hypotenuse is 17. So we have to solve our triangle, get the side that is lacking, that is the base for that matter. So we use Pythagoras theory. That says, or Pythagoras theorem that says, a squared plus b squared is usually c squared. Some people call it height squared plus base squared is usually hypotenuse squared. So we are lacking the base, and therefore base alone will be the square root of hypotenuse squared minus height squared. So if I square 17, what do we get? That is 17 squared minus 15 squared. So squaring our 17, what do we get? Squaring our 17, we get there at 289 minus 225. So then the difference becomes 64. So getting the square root of that to get b now, it shall be 8 units. So solving our triangle, therefore, this one is 8 units. That one is 8 units. So up to there, I hope you are together. You can follow through. I've just interpreted the ratio given, that is sine theta is equal to 15 over 17. Bring it on to our right angle triangle, because you know the SOHCAHTOA only applies to right angle triangles, and therefore trying to fix this, so that is sine opposite over hypotenuse, opposite of the of angle theta is 15 and hypotenuse becomes 17. So the only side left for me to get is the base. Using Pythagoras theory, I'm able to get the base. So now we can answer any question given. Remember, we are told not to use calculator or any mathematical table. So we are now asked to get cos theta or cosine theta plus tan theta. So it's very easy. We are just going to use our triangle. Guys, this is very easy. So cos theta becomes k, and therefore adjacent of theta is 8 over hypotenuse, which is 17, plus tan theta from the diagram TOA OA, that is OA opposite, which is 15 over adjacent, which is 8. So this is very cheap, like I was saying. So just looking for LCM. LCM becomes LCM of the two becomes 136. So 17 goes there. 8 by 8, 64 plus. That one goes there, 17. 17 by 15 is 17 by 15. We get 255. So summing up that, what do we get? 319 all over 136. So we can simplify this. Very simple. We can simplify this as, so 136. What do I get? We get 247 over 136. So that is all we have for you now. Very simple. Some students do this by getting the angle represented by 15 over 15 over 17. But the easiest way, please use the triangle. You don't need to change anything, just use those fractions and you get there. Thank you very much, guys. Let's embrace mathematics. Let's help our children. Let them study. You can use this, follow the steps, and you can do even your own, 10 of them or 5 of them. When you repeat, my teacher said, repetition kills forgetting. So please don't do one and you believe you know. Do as many as you can. May God bless you as you subscribe, as you share, as you like, so that we get more materials, we get more learning materials, and we share with our children. Thank you, and may God bless you.